Hi guys, and welcome back to another speed cleaning motivation video. Today I am doing a relaxing quick clean of my house. It's summertime and sometimes I don't have a whole lot of time on my plate to tackle every single thing on the to-do list in the house, and I just want to do a base level clean and tidy up so I can go ahead and get going. In this case today, that means having a nice lunch by myself with the baby and then going out to dinner tonight. So I just want to get the things done that absolutely cannot wait, like cleaning up the kitchen, tidying up the living room, things that just make me feel sane and make the house feel a little bit more manageable. If you like speed cleaning videos, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, and I've been trying to post 2 days a week over the summertime. So usually it's like one longer cleaning video and one shorter cleaning video, so you get a little bit of a taste of everything. If you like those kinds of videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here. During the summertime, I sometimes don't end up eating lunch until like 2 o'clock in the afternoon because that is when my toddler, my 2-year-old, is asleep, and it's just easier for me to wait until then so I can sit down and have a moment to myself. But stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm sharing what I'm making for lunch. It's a really yummy guacamole that's like super easy to make when you don't have all the usual fancy guacamole ingredients on hand. And also a little summer cocktail that I've been enjoying. I've been trying like a new cocktail every single weekend just to have some fun with it now that I'm not pregnant anymore, and this one's really good.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you.
Look who's up! And just in time to help mommy. Yeah. Aren't you so cute in your new outfit? My little melon girl ready for the summertime. You gonna help me? Let's get to work.
I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
If you don't have all the ingredients on hand to make like a fancy guacamole like they have at a restaurant, I mean, when I go to a restaurant, there's nothing more that I love than like the chunky guacamole with the whole chunks of tomato and red onion and cilantro. But right now I don't have all of those things on hand, so when I'm having a craving, I just use avocado, a little bit of lemon because I'm not going to finish the whole thing by myself, so lemon helps keep the avocado fresh for longer, and then Thrive Market salsa, which is the best salsa I've ever had. Their medium salsa blend is so stinking good. I keep it on hand all the time. It's on a recurring monthly order because Tanner and I just can't get enough of it. We probably have chips and salsa like 4 times a week, especially during the summertime, because it's just my go-to snack. I picked up this recipe and tweaked it a little bit from Katie McFarlane on Instagram. She is a blogger behind the website Chronicles of Frivolity, which is just one of my favorite blogs that I've ever read. It's so fun, a lot of really great lifestyle content, but this was like a take on her husband's recipe. Again, when you don't have all the super fresh great ingredients on hand, this is just an easy little something to mix together. I used Casamigo tequila and then fresh squeezed lime if you have it, and I just add a splash of grapefruit juice and a splash of orange juice. It just has like a little different feel to it, especially if you put tahini on the rim instead of salt. It's such a nice change of pace from the regular tequila recipe. It's a little bit fruitier, a little bit sweeter. You can also put jalapenos in it, which I really love. I love a spicy margarita, but right now I can't really do spicy stuff because even when I do a little bit of spice, I notice that my daughter, who's breastfeeding, reacts to it. She is only 3 months old, and anytime I have spicy food, it seems like I upset her stomach, so I'm not going to do that today.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can't promise 'cause you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk.